Guys, my name is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are discuss about Java switch statement, which is fall through. In previous tutorial, we discussed about switch statement, and in the next tutorial, we discuss about switch examples, switch statement example in Java programming. So, in this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about Java switch statement is fall through. Okay. The Java switch statement is fall through means it executes all statement after the first match if break statement is not present. Okay. Fall through means and when it will execute all statements if the first match. Okay, if the break statement is not present. Okay, let's see some examples in Java. Here, how to do this in this tutorial. In this switch example, we are omitting break statement. We want to use break statement here. I'm slicing a variable integer number. Suppose I'll change the number later. So let's switch statement. Int value. So here I'm giving a key value is number. So this value I'm giving 10. And here I'm printing values in 20. So I'm making some more cases. 10, 20 and 30. So here value will be 10. I'm giving value here 20. Here I'm giving a value is 30. So here will be default value. Default will be not in 10, 20 or 30. Okay, so I am giving a value 20 here. Means what will be here means I am specifying the value of 20 here. Okay. So this is the case 20. So after the first match, this is the first match. After the first match, after the matching of 20, and after 20 this all statement will be executed, means it will be executed. So I am not giving a break statement here. Okay, it means number is 20 means here case 20 is here. Okay, after 20 it will print this 20, 30 and it will print this default like no also. This is called Java switch statement, which is fall through. Let's check it out. Okay, there is a we have missed. Now you are giving a number, value is 20. So this is the match, because 20 is the matching for this number, and the concept of switch statement fall through means it will print from 20, 20, 30, and it will print not in plain 20 or 30. So it prints 20, 30, 20 or 30. Suppose I am giving a value of 10 here, it will print from 10, 20, 30 and 40. Suppose I am giving a value of 50 here, so 50 is not matching here, so it will print only default value, is not in 10, 20 or 30. Okay, this is called Java switch statement is for throw. Okay. Only this was for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.